So here I am again. I'm going to use one of those tools right there to take apart this thing way back in there, because something's rolling around in there and I don't like it. So I'm going to see what fell down there that's rolling around. Every time I turn a corner it goes. So here we go. One of these tools is gonna work. See, I'm using the tiny one. You gently put it in and you can kind of pry it open here and there. Be very, very, very careful. By the way, this is a 2012 Dodge Charger SRT 6.4 liter, my race car. See under there, it's got all these little prongy things here and there. It does not want to come out. So now I got a new thing going on. Under there, it looks like it's attached. This thing, where the hell is it? This thing is attached to that thing underneath. So it looks like this has got to come off first. So I took this thing off, and then I'm gonna pry this thing off so that way I can get that thing off. Yeah, kind of looks like that right now. It's kind of coming. It's kind of scary, but it's coming. So he just lifts out really easy. So that was nice. And now there's this little doohickey in here that you got to press down with your little thumb and get it to come out, that little guy. And this thing comes right out, so you can take the whole thing out. See, you got to take that thing out first. It comes out of there, if you can see what the heck I'm doing. But it kind of looks, it goes back in there. So you got to remember that. And it looks like that inside. See, now I have a clear view. That little lip was my problem, so now I can pop it off, but I gotta do the other side too. Oh boy. Yahoo! Now that's what the inside of that side looks like. Yep, just like the other one, but now I can take off the thingy. Yeah, to see where that noise is coming from. Something's rolling around in there for 2 years. I got it off. That was easy. Now let's see what was under there. That's what the inside looks like, but I can't see nothing. There is my problem right there. So I'm outside of the car, underneath my sweatshirt, because it's kind of sunny, but underneath there, oh gosh, there's a screw that was attached to something that's been rolling around. Oh man. And you can barely see it, but it's right in there. There's a screw. Now, how the hell am I supposed to get that out to not be able to hear it rolling around? Yeah, it's really hard to see, but it's right there. That blurry little thing. So it's right under there. I need to get one of those magnet thingy bobs and shove it under there and see if I have any luck. So I gotta go find one of those, but trust me, it's a screw. So I went and found this neat little magnet. Let's see if that does the trick. So I'm gonna shove it down there and see if I have any luck on grabbing something. Oh my god, I do. Ha ha ha, there it is. That's been rolling around in me dash. Now what the hell did that go to, and what's falling apart on my car that makes that fall off? Found it. It went to that. What kind of speaker is that, first of all? I don't even know, but it goes right there. Right there. Some dumbass was working on it and didn't tighten it up all the way. And it was rolling around, but I don't even know. That doesn't even look like a speaker, but it's supposed to be a speaker. There, I put the screw back in. It all should be good. All fixed. Now time to put the car back together. Got it back in, at least that part, so that looks pretty normal. Now I gotta do those things. One side successful. Yahoo! Hell yeah! And it's back together. And that's how you take off whatever that thing's called to find a screw. Or if you want to do speakers, yep, that's how you do it. Woo! And that's all I have to say about that. That's awesome. And now I won't have any other screws floating around making weird noises.